We are here after not just months of work to develop a blueprint and plan, but decades of work.
Montgomery County has a strategic plan to end childhood hunger.
We know we can do it, and this plan is going to get us there.
According to Feeding America, about 14% of children in Montgomery County are food insecure. But there's help on the way.
It's unconscionable that 34,000 kids in Montgomery County don't know where their next meal is going to come from as I speak to you right now. And there's no reason for it, and it can't happen on our watch.
Montgomery County Councilmember Gabe Albornoz recently hosted a press conference at Highland Elementary School in Wheaton-Glenmont to bring awareness to the important issue.
Today is about unveiling a strategic plan to ensure that in the next 3 years we end childhood hunger here in Montgomery County.
When children are not fed or they're concerned about where the next meal is going to come from, that then becomes a hindrance to learning.
The plan was spearheaded by Councilmember Albornoz back in 2022 in conjunction with the county's Department of Health and Human Services to combat rising rates of childhood food insecurity in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic.
As council president last year, we were able to establish legislation that commissioned this blue ribbon panel to work on the plan that is being rolled out today.
The Montgomery County Food Council serves as the project manager for the initiative, which identifies food access barriers while reducing food insecurity across all age groups.
The Montgomery County Food Council brings together over 2,000 local and regional partners, including nonprofits, businesses, government agencies, and residents, to respond to opportunities and challenges to ensure a resilient, sustainable, and equitable local food system for all county residents.
So there are 14 general large points and over 100 recommendations under those points, but basically it comes down to ensuring we have better data sharing among the organizations that are on the ground so that they're not flying blind, enhancing the existing infrastructure programs that we already have here to make them more accessible and easier for parents to be able to access, but also being bold and thinking of new initiatives.
The strategies that are outlined in this plan, they'll not only ensure that children in our county have access to food today, but that ultimately the long-term health of our education and overall life outcomes of our entire community are going to be stronger well into the future.
And moving forward, here's what's next.
We've already implemented some of the recommendations within the plan, but over the next 3 years we will roll out more of those recommendations. And so each of our budgets moving forward will reflect the incremental changes and enhancements that we need to see. But we also need our partners at the federal level because some of the recommendations are beyond the county or the state's control. The good news is the Biden administration has made clear that they want to make this a national priority. And so we're confident that in partnership with the Biden administration and our partners in federal government, we're going to get there.
Reporting in Wheaton-Glenmont, Jordan Lindsay.